Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SolidWorks Bucket Mold lesson. From the book files provided, open the bucket mold part. Make a draft analysis and review the different phases that require draft. Click on the draft command. Select the top face as the neutral plane. Select the ellipse edge to draft and turn on the option Propagate along tangent. Repeat the draft analysis to evaluate the model faces. Select the face indicated to review the draft for the side boss and close the command. Edit the boss extrude feature. Activate the draft option with draft outward. Set the angle and click OK. Edit the cut extrude feature. Activate the draft option. Set the angle and click OK. Make a draft analysis for the side boss. Verify the faces have the correct draft and close. Click on parting line. Select the top face for the neutral plane and click on draft analysis. Click OK to continue. Click on parting surface. Set the parting surface options and dimensions indicated and click OK to finish. Click on the tooling split command. Select the parting surface to add the sketch. Use convert entities and exit the sketch. Enter the block sizes indicated and click OK to finish. Change the solid body's appearance for visibility. Add a new sketch in the front plane. Draw and dimension the profile as shown, starting at the parting surface. Exit the sketch to continue. Click on the Core command. Select the sketch. In the core cavity body, select the cavity. Make the end condition through all. And set the draft angle to 1 degree. Click OK to finish. Review the solid bodies to identify the side core body. Expand the Core 1 feature. Select the sketch and the front plane and go to the menu Insert, Derive the sketch. Show the side core sketch. Locate the profile as indicated and exit the sketch. Click on the Core command, select the derived sketch, select the cavity body, set the end condition to through all, set the draft angle and click OK. Hide the sketch to continue. Change the body's appearance for visibility. And hide the surface bodies. From the Direct Editing tab, select the Move Bodies command and move the bodies as shown. Repeat the command for each body. Review the different mold bodies, save and close the file.